Hello, little explorers, and welcome to our colorful animal adventure. Are you ready to learn all about colors with some amazing animal friends? I'm so excited to get started. Let's jump right in and see what our first color is. Look, it's the color red. Can you say red? Red is such a bright and beautiful color. What animals can we think of that are red? Wow, look at this lovely red bird. It's a cardinal. And what's this crawling along the ground? It's a little ladybug. Ladybugs have red shells with black spots. They are so tiny and cute. So we have a red cardinal and a red ladybug. What a fantastic start! Red is a truly wonderful color. Can you think of any yellow animals? Buzz, buzz, buzz. Look at this busy little bee flying from flower to flower. Bees are yellow and black, and they help make sweet honey for us to eat. And look over here splashing in the pond. It's a cute little duckling. Baby ducks are often covered in soft, fluffy yellow feathers. So we have a yellow bee and a yellow duckling. Yellow is such a happy and cheerful color, isn't it? Now, let's see what's next. It's the color blue. Blue is a very calm and cool color. It's the color of the big, wide sky and the deep, deep ocean. What animals can we find that are blue? Look at this magnificent butterfly. It's a blue morpher butterfly, and its wings are a stunning, shimmery blue. It flutters so gracefully. And over in the ocean, look at this giant. It's a blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on the entire planet, and they swim through the vast blue sea. A blue butterfly and a blue whale. Blue is such a beautiful color. Are you ready for more? Great. Our next color is green. Can you say green? Green is the color of fresh grass in the park and the leaves on the trees. Lots of animals love the color green because it helps them hide. What green animals can we find? Ribbit? Ribbit. It's a frog. This little green frog is sitting on a lily pad, ready to jump into the water. Its green skin helps it blend in with the plants and slithering through the branches. It's a green snake. Snakes can be many colors, but this one is a brilliant green, perfectly camouflaged in the leafy jungle. A green frog and a green snake. Green is the color of nature. Let's move on to our next exciting color. It's orange. Say it with me. Orange. Orange is a very vibrant and energetic color, just like a juicy orange fruit. What animals are orange? Look at this sly and clever animal. They are very smart. And swimming in this little bowl, we have a goldfish. Goldfish are popular pets, and they shimmer with a beautiful orange color as they swim around. So we have an orange fox and an orange goldfish. Orange is such a fun and lively color. What's our next color, I wonder? It's purple. Purple is a very special and royal color. It's not as common in the animal world, which makes it extra exciting when we find it. Let's look closely in the ocean. Wow, look at this amazing creature. It's a purple sea star, also known as a starfish. It has 5 arms and its whole body is a lovely shade of purple and flying near some flowers. What's this? It's a beautiful purple butterfly. A purple sea star and a purple butterfly. Purple is a truly magical color. Time for another wonderful color. It's pink. Pink is such a sweet and pretty color, like a beautiful flower or a delicious piece of candy. They are so graceful. And what's this in the mud? Oink, oink. It's a pig. Pigs are often pink, and they love to roll around and play. We have a pink flamingo and a pink pig. Pink is such a delightful color. Let's see what colors we have next. It's black and white. These two colors often go together in the animal kingdom. Can you think of an animal that is both black and white? That's right, a zebra. Look at its amazing black and white stripes. Every zebra has a unique pattern, just like our fingerprints, and waddling over the ice, it's a penguin. Penguins have black backs and white tummies, which helps them hide from predators in the ocean. And what's this gentle giant chewing on bamboo? It's a panda. Pandas are famous for their black and white fur and their cute, cuddly appearance. A zebra, a penguin, and a panda. Black and white are a classic combination. Let's keep going. Our next color is brown. Brown is a very earthy color, like the soil in a garden or the trunk of a big, strong tree. Many animals are brown, which helps them blend in with their surroundings. And what's this swinging from a tree? It's a cheeky little monkey. Many monkeys have brown fur and they are so playful and fun to watch. We have a brown bear and a brown monkey. Brown is a strong and steady color. We've seen so many colors, but we have one more. It's gray. Gray is the color of a stone or a cloudy day. It's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they have wrinkly grey skin and big floppy ears. And swimming in the water with a fin on its back, it's a dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent and playful marine animals, and they have smooth grey skin. So we have a grey elephant and a grey dolphin. Grey is a very cool and smart colour. Wow, what an incredible journey! Let's do a quick recap of all the amazing colours and animals we saw today. Green frogs and snakes, orange foxes and goldfish, purple sea stars, pink flamingos and pigs. You did such an amazing job learning all your colors with our animal friends. Colors are everywhere, and so are animals. The next time you go outside, see how many different colored animals you can spot. Thank you so much for joining me on this colorful adventure. I had so much fun with you today. Remember to keep exploring and keep learning.